Alright, there you have it. Some wood that I chopped down from last job I did for this gentleman. Take a closer look at the hinge here. That's some area where I cut through to make sure my kerf was going to line up. Real big hinge though, honestly. Good holding fibers for ash. It did go over a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. Probably a good thing I wasn't really gunning full send on the saw, or else I could have really cut through some of the holding wood as it was going. But now it's just time to clean up, manage the wood. Good first video session. Y'all, thanks for watching. Baird at Baird Tree Service. I'll see y'all next time.